What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is, of course, your host, Lite Crypto here, and today we're going to be diving into the world of Bitcoin DeFi for a change, and the product in question is called OdinFun, and as the name suggests, yes, it is a fork out of a pump fund on Bitcoin. And we have seen these forks in other chains as well, but they all have been plagued by the same problem, which is they didn't have any users on them. While OdinFun is not as large as pump fund, but as you can see, every time basically the screen is blinking, somebody is trading some meme coins on this platform. So it's actually fairly active, contrasted into how small kind of like the ordinals and the Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem really is. And I think it will be growing a lot going into the future. So in this video, we're going to be going through how to basically use this platform, how to launch your own coin, and all things you basically want to know before jumping into the Bitcoin DeFi in general. So first of all, you're obviously going to be needing a wallet. There's two good options that I would recommend from the get-go, which are relatively easy to use. We have, first of all, the Unisat wallet. This is quite popular ordinals and meme coin style of a wallet, which support a lot of different things and technologies. And then the other one, which is also very popular, is the Xverse wallet, which also supports the Stacks blockchain. So that's a bit of a more benefit in that one, in case you want to use Stacks and Bitcoin on the same, as Stacks is not supported on Unisat at all. And there's two other wallets which are supported here on the actual platform, and that is Lether, which is also kind of like based on the Stacks ecosystem. Then we have Magic Eden wallet, which I don't like at all. OKX is a multi-coin wallet, and then we obviously have Phantom, which is not necessarily ideal for Bitcoin usage. So I'm going to be going Unisat on this case, but Xverse is also a great opportunity to interact with the actual OdinFun platform. So once you have actual money on your wallet, you're going to be able to deposit that into the OdinFun platform, because obviously Bitcoin wouldn't be able to trade as fast as Solana and these other platforms. So everything is basically happening inside these decentralized wallets, which you're going to be depositing into. So it's kind of working like a centralized exchange in a way, but obviously you're going to be able to deposit and withdraw without going through any form of a KYC on this platform. And once you're actually logged in, you can actually go into the Achievements tab, and here you can see a bunch of different quests. Far as I know, OdinFun does not have their own token yet, or even if they have, there is a possibility that they might do an airdrop somewhere down the line. So actually completing the achievements might play into you getting drops in the future under this ecosystem. And once you have completed all the beginner quests, then you are able to unlock the Advanced tab over here, which also includes a referral program, which you can sign up under me and help me out to make some money. that would be great. So, but they don't actually state out like how much you're getting paid for your invited friends and all that stuff. So that is a bit vague here in terms of, I wish they would be a bit more transparent about it, but they don't seem to have any type of public community on Telegram or Discord as of right now. But the devs are actually doxed based on the things that I've seen on their Twitter. Now, you are obviously able to create out your own tokens. I created out a test one called Crackhead, and basically some people already rugged me, but I'm still holding this coin. So I'm still like, well, the only developer that is holding from the money. And similar to Pump Fun, once you have met the certain market cap, it will basically ascend it and it will be deployed with liquidity into the DeFi ecosystem. I don't actually know what is the DEX behind it, but that's the same model in Pump Fun. Basically, as Pump Fun, you token passes a certain mark, you are going to be basically deployed into Radium with liquidity. And that's kind of the goal you want to go for. Right now, I have only 2.4k market cap on my coin. And there's obviously a lot of coins already here which have much more higher market caps and volumes. It's not as much in Pump Fun, but obviously we're talking about a bit different type of ecosystem that's still growing. It's only like less than 1 month old platform. A lot of people don't know about it. I only learned about it basically today. So we're going to be creating a token over here. And there's a really cool model here that actually create to earn model. So unlike in Pump Fun, where people are just deploying and rugging, you are actually incentivized to get the ascendance to the token. So once it ascends, meets the market cap, you're going to be paid 0.01 Bitcoin. And that's like, is that $100? Let's confirm that, how much that actually is. Yeah, you're going to be paid $100 based on, well, roughly give and take of the price of the Bitcoin. You're going to be paid that much if that token basically ascends and becomes upgraded in the actual ecosystem. So that is a very good incentive to basically have a long-term commitment for the token. But obviously, like, having bought tokens in the very beginning of the deploying and then selling is probably going to be making you a lot more money. But in case you just forgot to buy or something happens, at least you're going to be paid once you actually get integrated. And I already created out a random image over here, and I'm going to be calling it the Golden Pengu. Well, it's not token. Golden BTC Pengu is going to be the name. Pengu BTC is going to be the name. And I'm going to be drawing out an image here that I did with Midjourney. Most based penguin on Bitcoin chain. Dev will not rug, most likely. And there's some discount codes. I don't know where to get them. Also, you can add your socials into them. I've noticed in Pump Fun, at least when it comes to bot activity, if you actually add telegrams and websites and Twitter, there's a higher chance that the snipers are going to buy the token if their socials listed. Now, what I like about this platform is that, and this is the launch fee, and this is, so you can already buy it from the beginning. And the problem on Pump Fun is actually because the way that bots work, and I obviously did a video about the trading bots and snipers are able to buy the liquidity before the actual developers buying stuff. That's how fucked up the Solana system is right now. So what I like about this system is that I'm able to basically buy before anybody else. So there's not similar type of a bot system going on. And now we have created that token. It should be popping out really, really soon here. And we didn't need to sign up, obviously, anything on the actual, let's see if the, yeah, there we go. The activity is here. So the Bengu BTC has been created. I bought $4 worth of this. And let's see if there's any trades coming out. The price is at $0. Price is 0.12 sats. How much do we have here on balance? Not very much. I mean, I've been putting out, let me put like $5 buy here. And it seems to load out, and that's probably because it's just a new token. But it's pretty simple, buy and sell, and these happen off chain. Basically, I don't know what type of RPC and not RPC, but what type of oracles they're using. Okay, here we go. So it's now showing up, and people are already buying. So there's some random people that already bought these things. I could now rug and make more money, but obviously I'm not gonna rug, I'm gonna buy more. It didn't actually place the transaction. Okay, there we go. So now I made the buy, and that's how easy it's basically to do. And then I can sell 25% of my position. There we go. And there we go. It's very, really fast because it's kind of like off chain. So that's pretty beautiful about the system. So that's basically how you launch, trade, and sell the tokens. And there's multiple, obviously, projects being launched here today. And I'm going to be expecting there's going to be more users coming into this system in the upcoming weeks and so, because we're getting like restarted now because of what happened today in terms of the market coming back due to the Trump's, you know, the Bitcoin, not Bitcoin reserve, but the crypto reserve. And that's like reinvigorated this idea of the market. And, you know, we're going to be seeing a lot more activity on these meme coins. But if you're a really big fan and you want to speculate on meme coins and make money on the platform, well, you should definitely try out OdinFun, because that's probably the best way to do meme coins right now. Obviously, you can trade them on Magic Eden, but you're not probably going to be seeing these massive, you know, flows of money going into millions and trillions. You know, like, this is not going to happen because those are so established tokens already on that platform. So here you can get in early into these projects that are listed. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more reviews and guides on the channel. Obviously, we've got a lot of things to cover in the upcoming days and weeks, but until then, I will be seeing you guys next time. Cheers.